health benefits of peach juice you didn't know. Peaches, the sweet fruits, were always mentioned in T.S. Eliot's poems. Being low in calorie, it is a delicious fruit packed with vitamins and minerals. So, in this article, we will be discussing the health benefits of peach juice. Peach juice is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, B-complex vitamins, iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, zinc, etc. It also boasts of a number of antioxidants like beta-carotene, lutein and lycopene. The flesh of the peach is soft and juicy and is typically orange or yellow when it is ripe. Do you know peach juice allows the body to absorb more nutrients in a single serving? Well, that's the additional quality of peaches, as it enables the body to take in a larger serving of nutrients rapidly, boosts immunity, improves overall health, and protects the body from various types of diseases. Let's have a look at the health benefits of peach juice. 1. Promotes weight loss. Peach juice is one of the lowest calorie fruit juices, with only 60 calories in a single cup of peach juice. Drink peach juice as a part of your weight loss diet plan and you will get a boost of nutrients, without taking in additional calories. If you are bored of having the same old fruit juice, try peach juice. 2. Improves blood circulation. Peach juice aids in strengthening your heart muscles and stimulates blood flow all over the body, which results in low blood pressure and low cholesterol levels. The juice of the peach reduces the risk of atherosclerosis, myocardial infarction, and other cardiovascular diseases. Also, if your iron levels are low, you could drink peach juice, as it is also a rich source of iron. 3. Prevents cancer. Lutein and lycopene present in peach juice can help prevent cancer and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Peach juice also contains anti-carcinogenic and tumor-suppressing compounds that can cut the risk of cancer at any age. But once cancer attacks your body, drinking peach juice will not be effective. 4. Improves cardiovascular health. Peach juice is ideal for protecting heart health, as it contains iron, potassium, and vitamin C. Iron increases blood circulation and promotes proper blood flow to the heart. Potassium acts as a vasodilator to ease tension in the blood vessels, and vitamin C aids in speeding up the healing process of damaged tissues and arteries of the heart. 5. Boosts the immune system. Drinking peach juice daily will make your immune system strong and prevent common colds and other such diseases. Being rich in vital vitamins and minerals, peach juice will provide your body with an ample number of nutrients. Individuals who consume peach juice every day are less prone to common seasonal and chronic ailments. 6. Improves skin complexion. One of the biggest health benefits of peach juice is it improves your skin tone and complexion. Peach juice is an excellent source of vitamin C that helps improve the skin tone, quality, and texture. Drink peach juice daily to get rid of blemishes, pimples, scars, and acne. 7. Gets rid of the body's toxins. Another health benefit of peach juice is that it helps in cleansing the intestinal tract, improves renal function, and removes the excess toxins out from the body. And as a result, it will improve your skin and hair texture, imparting volume and softness to the hair and a clear complexion to the skin. 8. Combats digestive disorders. Peach juice, being alkaline in nature, helps to relieve the symptoms of gastritis, indigestion, constipation, flatulence, nausea, and other digestive disorders. If you are suffering from stomach ache, drinking peach juice would be a great remedy and will also help in cleansing the intestinal tract. 9. Improves eyesight. Beta-carotene present in peach juice helps to improve eyesight and reduces oxidative stress in your retina, thus preventing macular degeneration. This juice works by improving blood circulation in the eye and the surrounding muscles of the eye, preventing muscle weakness. 10. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Peach juice contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that cure swelling, inflammation, and joint aches. They also contain certain antioxidants that balance the hormone levels and induce the release of feel-good hormones.